What's up, everyone? Thank you very much for joining me in this video. The very first thing I want to say is happy 4th of July. I hope that you are enjoying your 4th of July vacation with your family. If you have kids, every moment, not just 4th of July, every moment in your life, try to enjoy it as they grow and they grow up fast. And being a parent, I know it's tough, but it's amazing. All right, and with that being said, I want to make this video, being that it's 4th of July, I want to make it positive. I want to make it great. I want to make it so that people get a feeling that, investing in the stock market doesn't have to be tough. It doesn't have to be frustrating, boring, or losing money, all that stuff. It's awesome. It's great. It's fun. Just stay away. Your parents ever tell you stay away from bad crowds? Don't hang out with bad people, right? Same thing in investing, guys. Stay away from some stupid, dumb, moronic, retarded news. There are news out there that are stupid. They're just there to be there, just to get views, or just to get you frustrated, or whatever the reason is. Be like Warren Buffett. No matter what year it is of investing, Warren Buffett says, I don't care what they say, I don't care what they do. If you ask me, I say, I don't know. This is literally from the book of The Intelligent Investor. They won't tell you that you can't make money every single year. No, they're just going to play out big drama, because drama equals views, and drama might also equal other things for them, right? Forbes right now, July 1st. Come on, before July, like literally before July 4th. What are you trying to do? Kill the mood? Why the equity markets are out of touch? Right. Okay. Before I continue even further, let me say something else. I'm not here to paint a picture and say that the economy is perfect. No, we have to be realistic and see that there are things in the economy that are not good. There are things that are good. There are things that need improvement. I get it. But there's always an opportunity to be an investor, a successful investor, every single year. And I'll show you. Going again on Forbes, this was July 1st, 2023. Bull stock market talk is premature. And your solution? None. Just drama. Who owns Ford? Forbes magazine is owned today by American innovator and automotive tech industry pioneer Austin Russell, the founder and CEO of Luminar, and Hong Kong-based integrated Well Media Investments announced that they have entered into, when he acquired Forbes. One thing that stands out to me and gets me mad, if you want to increase my blood pressure, then write titles like this: Forbes to be acquired by entrepreneur and philanthropist. One thing that seriously brings me blood pressure, it boils me inside, it drives me crazy, is when I see rich people, super rich people, baptizing themselves whatever they want. I'm a pioneer. I'm a philanthropist. People will glorify you only for a little bit, and if they do, it's for your money or for some type of interest. When rich people call themselves philanthropists, it gets me mad, just to say the least. I don't want to say any other words. Philanthropist for me is a poor man on the street who has nothing, and when you ask him to give you out of the bucket that he has $5, let's say that he collected during that day, and you tell him, look, I need that $5 because I'm starving or my kid's starving, and that poor man gives you the $5 and the bucket and his clothes. That's a philanthropist. U.S. stocks face a painful rest of 2023 with a recession set to take the shine off the AI-fueled rally. Market Insider. Great. So far, what are we getting? All this negativity. How about in Market Watch? Recession fears stay close to boiling point. Market Watch Weekly, right? So what does Warren Buffett have to say about all of this? It's like Warren Buffett saying, good job, guys. Great story. Amazing drama. Did you get your views? Congratulations. Let's move on with investing. And the market so far, as far as mainstream media, has always been, since the beginning of the year, recession, the Fed, the hike, the economy, the slowdown, the fear, the this and that. But there are opportunities, and I'm not perfect, but you know what? I don't give up, and I try to make as good decisions as possible, and it has been working out for me through the years. I'm not a billionaire, and I don't want to be a billionaire. I just want to raise my family, and so far I'm doing that, and I'm very happy. On June 6th, I bought ASO at 958. It's at 1057 now. I bought Node on 650. This was calls I made on Discord. June 15, Node at 268, it's at 366 now. How about ACHR at 345 on June 28th, it's at 414 now. Lucy, big mistake. I knew it was a day trade, but it didn't work out. Who cares? All right, we make those, those mistakes. I make those mistakes on a rare basis, but it does happen even to the best of us. Swing trading, XPEV on June 26th at 1060. It's right now 1342. Those are just some examples of what's going on my Discord. But it's not just on my Discord. It's also on my YouTube channel. Some other things here. I talked about free at 290. It's now at $4. I said I would buy Rocket Lab at $3.90. It's now at $6. I said I would buy Ally at 23 something. It's now at 27. How about SELB, which was just for a day trade, got out of it, and I'm glad I did because now it's at 112. Or how about DRMA? Then it was a quick day trade because I realized there was no point in holding this anymore. Good thing because now it's at 165. Either way, all of them positive, great money-making ways and all that stuff. All of these things were this year, and there's plenty more opportunities. What about on the YouTube channel? On the YouTube channel, I had done a YouTube video about COHR, which I also talked about on my Discord. At $36 is when I talked about it. Same thing on the YouTube channel when I made that YouTube video. The stock, and this was this year, and the stock right now is at $50, nearly $51, from 36 to 51. Or if we go back even more, even a year ago, because investing and holding for a year is a great thing if you pick good stocks. What about KB Homes, KBH? It was at 25 when I talked about it in my YouTube video. Now it's at 51.65. There's always great opportunities. They won't tell you those opportunities. They just want to throw at you all this trash talk about recession, fear, death, blah 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 blah. And it gets people frustrated. It gets me frustrated because if people don't want to invest in the stock market, that's not good for me personally speaking, or for you, for nobody. It's not good for anybody, right? I'm not saying people go throw your money in the stock market. No, what I'm saying is be like Warren Buffett. Forget about mainstream media. Forget about Wall Street. Don't even pay attention to them, but rather start to learn how to evaluate a stock. That's it. That's the whole game. That's the whole game in the stock market. Evaluating stocks. If you can evaluate companies and start to look at them not as opportunities to make money, but as an opportunity to be part of a great company. That's it. Forget the stock itself, but look at the company. What does this company do? What products are they coming out with? Who's the CEO? What's their background? What's their financials the past 5 years? Look at the revenue, look at net income, look at the EBITDA margin, look at gross margin, look at total liabilities, look at total debt, all that stuff and much more. Put all that stuff together and you get a good picture of what this company is. Is their stock worth what they are asking? And if the P ratio is also good and the whole valuation is good, and that's it, basically. You get into a great company and you're set to go. So the whole fear that the stock market is going down, 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 or it's going to go down, and there's going to be a recession, it's going to be this and this and that, to be honest, I sort of don't agree with it. And that is because the spread between corporate bonds and treasury yields is steadily narrowing. Did they tell you that? Have you heard about that? According to DataTrek Research, this is according to DataTrek Research, underlying strength in debt markets suggests resilience rather than the opposite. The spread between corporate bond yields and U.S. Treasuries helps measure the risk appetite for bond traders. Like I said, I'm not here to say that the economy is perfect, but there's been so many opportunities to make money this year with great stocks. Right? What about Vertiv Holdings, VRT, at $12.42 in October of 2022? I called it a buy, and Vertiv Holdings this year went over $21. There's opportunities if you find the right good, and there's not a few. If somebody says if you find the right companies, I get it. They get someone stressed out, and they say, well, look, I'm not good at evaluating stocks, and if you're telling me you find the right companies, I don't know how to find them, and there's probably few. There aren't few. There are many. Right? Do a lot of reading. I don't know. But you can join my Discord if you want. You can join my Discord. There's a $5 tier if you want per month. And you can have access to talking to me directly, talking with over 800 other traders, get into a community that can help each other out, right? Or just do a lot of reading online and watch the right YouTube videos. Don't watch YouTube videos that just talk about the end of the world and that's it. There's no point, right? Occidental Petroleum for me is the stock going forward. I am not afraid of this stock. I like this stock and I feel comfortable investing in Occidental Petroleum and holding it, and sleeping fine at night and not even stressing out. That is because I know that with Occidental Petroleum, I have the backing of Warren Buffett, and there's nothing greater in the world than to be with Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett has 25% stake in Occidental Petroleum. I did a video yesterday explaining why and why he's going to buy more. Watch that video because there's a reason why he's going to buy even more. He's not going to stop at 25%. So Occidental Petroleum going forward is a great stock in my opinion to invest in and feel stress-free. For me, personally speaking, not for you. I can't be your financial advisor. You have to do your own due diligence. The point is, it's 4th of July. Enjoy your 4th of July and enjoy investing, because investing is fun, should be fun, not stressful. And don't ever watch videos or news where they're just constant depression. Sure, we have to read the bad news also. Let's not be blind and live in a bubble world of happiness. I get it. That's not the point. Come out that talk about the negative parts of the financial sector and so on. They're making sense, and there's a reason why. I get it. We have to read all that stuff. We have to read everything. But at the same time, not just, okay, stick at the bad news. Let's watch a video that talks about this isn't, Ray Dalio just said the end of the world is coming, all this stuff. There's no point. You're only going to get frustrated. You're not going to enjoy it, and you know what? You're going to miss out on investing and creating wealth. And if you don't create wealth, who cares? Even if you make $15,000 profit on your initial investment within the next 5 or 6 or 7 years, hey, that's $15,000 that will be waiting for you in the future, and you can use it. Investing is about making money to help you in the future, about creating opportunities, and it's fun. It should be fun. Investing is amazing if you take it serious and not as a joke, or how am I going to make money off that stock real quick, and let me read, Reddit forums and all that stuff. I don't know. This is just my opinion. I'm going to stop talking because I talk too much, and I wish you all the best. Take care.
Are you looking for a Discord platform that offers a first-class trading community? That's what you can expect when you join Bull Market Watch. Trading can be challenging for some people, but we're here to simplify the process for you. We have a very powerful track record. Our Discord deals with day trades, swing trades, and long-term trades. Hundreds of traders operate through our Discord, where we come up with stocks to trade for profits on the NASDAQ and NYSE. With a low monthly subscription of $9.90, you will have full access to our Discord, where you can interact with other traders and get all the latest news when it comes to trading as well. It's a community that is extremely supportive of one another and always willing to help each other out. Become a member of Bull Market Watch today and be on your way to a better financial situation.